In this video, we're going to be talking about HyperEVM, Hyperliquid's new layer 1 chain, and Liquid launch. So you guys should all know about HyperEVM by now. If you don't, it's Hyperliquid's new layer 1 exchange and it is heating up. I've released my official airdrop strategy, how I'm planning to farm over $100,000 through the HyperEVM airdrop. Will I get there? Who knows, but I'm going to try. So you should all read this guide. I will leave a link to this guide in the description below. I've also made a full video tutorial on this as well. So 100% make sure to check that out because this video applies to that as well. So I believe Liquid launch and Liquid swap are going to be a key component in making big money from the HyperEVM airdrop. And they've just released a new staking, which I think we should all be getting involved in. So this new staking is unlike anything we've seen before. This is truly incredible what they've done. This just went live pretty much. And this is insane. This has never been done before. 100% of the revenue from all Liquid D products will flow directly to stakers. No emissions, no inflation, just real yield powered by protocol performance. This is absolutely insane. And we're going to read a bit more about this here. So Liquid launch have just done that. 100%, 100% goes to stakers. Insane. Meanwhile, on Solana, you've got platforms like pumpfun farming tens of millions of dollars, dumping on their users. They are leaving no crumbs for the team, no fees siphoned off for ecosystem development, just pure raw value to users. Now think about what this really means. This isn't just generosity, it's delusional commitment. And this is the Hyperliquid ethos. They are 100% for the users. This is crypto before VC suits hijacked it. And here are all the revenue streams that feed the staking. Liquid swap aggregator, 0.05% fee on all swaps will go towards stakers. Bonded tokens, revenue from all of the bonded tokens. And conversion mechanism, fees are auto swapped to Hype at the thresholds. The reward mechanics starts 24 hours after launch. All revenue flows into the staking contract. Rewards are distributed proportionally to stakers. The more Liquid D you stake, the bigger your slice. And in terms of withdrawal, there is a 7-day time lock for security, that's it. And team stakes from the same contract, no special treatment, no bonus rewards. Everybody earns equally based on stake size. Welcome to the House of Finance, Hyperliquid. So this is truly insane what we're seeing because Liquid Swap are going to become, I think, the main DEX or the main aggregator that everybody is going to use for swapping for tokens on HyperEVM. It's the best. It gives you the best prices. It's pretty fast. And it's also where you can trench and find new coins. So this is one that I've been looking at. I've also mentioned this before in a previous video. I think I mentioned it about down here. So it's since done a nice 2x. Actually, it almost hit about a 3x up here. Still yet to bond. Dev just said DEX is paid. So hopefully this can bond shortly. But yeah, if you're not familiar, Liquid launch is basically the pumpfun version of HyperEVM. So you can see all of the new coins here that are yet to bond, or you can sort it by bonded. It's literally just pumpfun, but for HyperEVM. So 100% recommend taking a look. And I think trenching on here is going to be a lot easier than it is on Solana because there's a lot less tokens and less liquidity. So when liquidity does come in and there's less tokens, chances are that money flows into some of your tokens. So yeah, definitely check out Liquid launch. But the reason I also want to talk about the staking today is, you can see my stake here. I staked a little $500 just because I'm really trying to farm the Hyperliquid airdrop. But you can see I've already made a nice 30 cents, literally nothing. But really and truly, I'm just trying to farm the HyperEVM airdrop. And I think by staking on here, you are going to farm more HyperEVM airdrop. So you can see the rewards here, rewards for using the protocol. You'll get rewards for swapping, you'll get rewards for trading tiers, and you'll also get liquidity rewards. You'll get a share of the trading fees, unlock lower fees based on your trading volume, and provide liquidity and stake Liquid D to earn Hype and benefit from revenue share. So I think by staking on here, it is going to help out with farming the HyperEVM airdrop. So that's my plan. That's what I'm doing, just staking a little bit just to potentially farm some more rewards. But if you're not already farming the Hyperliquid HyperEVM airdrop, what you want to do is check out my previous video where I made a full airdrop guide. You can also read this thread that I made about it, and definitely get going with that. You can see here in my Rabby wallet, I've got 3.5k worth of hype tokens, stake type, wrap stake type, Bitcoin in there, a couple stable coins, some meme coins, and of course I've got my sniper bot as well. So if you want a link to the sniper bot, I will leave that in the description as well. If we check out the sniper bot, so this is a sniper bot that I'm using, and let's check my active positions. So you can see I went into Hyperstition. My average entry was around 58k, sitting at 81k, so we're about $133 up on that one right now. And hopefully that bonds today and we can make some good money on that. But yeah, you can see my unit as well, bridged in 13.5 grand of funds. This was actually slightly higher, but prices have come down a little bit. So yeah, we are active farming the HyperEVM airdrop. You can see these are all of my HyperEVM pages. I have stakes and I'm borrowing and lending and doing all sorts of things on all of these different platforms. So 100% get involved if you want a chance at earning a 5 to 6, maybe even 7-figure airdrop, depending on how big of funds you've got. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like rating, comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more Hyperliquid, HyperEVM, and more crypto tutorials and content in general. And I'll see you guys in the next video.